Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, I'm going to talk about the forex trading signals for 1st of April 2020. Okay, so guys, before going to start with the signals, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it because it's very important, because you will be going to take the forex trading updates and the scalping techniques from my side. Okay, so guys, as I have mentioned in the yesterday video, that overall the market situation is very slow, so that's we have again seen a slow momentum today, but however we have done extremely well on few pairs and the rest of the pairs were slow too, but we have still managed to get with the trading. So let's talk about the trading from USD Canadian dollar. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of USD Canadian dollar from 142.106 and 143.616 was the target price. So guys, overall the target price is not met, but you can see a slight upward trend is seen on USD Canadian dollar, and it went into the upward trend for like 4 hours, and after that it has a drop on that pair. But again, the market is just retesting the entry level again. So overall, if we look at the complete volatility, then you can say that overall where the market started, it's already back to the same level. So overall, no volatility on USD Canadian dollar. So slight little bullish push, and we have got that little bullish push. Okay, the same situation is going on Great Britain pound JPY. I have supplied the bullish signal from 133.046 and 134.060 is the target price. However, guys, I am making a smaller trend line, and then you can see that the 4 hours, 3 to 5 hours, the market was up, but later on again retesting the entry level. So again, it's back to the same levels where it started. So that's why I have talked this thing in my I have told you about this thing in my previous video that I posted yesterday, that you need to do better scalping these days, because overall the day trading is not very much advisable, because due to the disease that is spread all over the world, so the market is facing low volatility, and this is you know the very well this is about during the disease time right now. Okay, so let's talk about the USDJPY. So overall, guys, I have supplied the bearish trend on USDJPY from 107.470 and 106.285 is the target price. However, guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go make the downward pattern, and it's already down from the entry. So like 3 to 4 hours it's time to catch a profit, but overall it's into the weaker zones, but the volatility is very less. That's why I'm going to explain it again. So be careful that you are looking at the things that the volatility is very less on most of the pairs, so better to do scalping instead of taking very long trades. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. USDCHF was somehow fine, because I have supplied the bullish trend from 0.96477 and 0.97315 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market started to make the upward pattern, and it stayed up into the upward direction for like 6 hours almost. So overall, if you have traded these 6 hours, then you must be in a good profit on USDCHF. At next, I'm going to talk about the AUDUSD. The single candle hit the from our entry to the target price. 060947 was the entry, and 06159 was the 591 was the target price. And guys, you can see within a single candle the market hit the target price with no problem. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions on AUDUSD as per 200forexwebs.com recommendation. They must be in profit. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY. So guys, basically EURJPY is a bit fine. So I have supplied the bearish signal on EURJPY from 118036 and 117306 is the target price. And guys, you can see already EURJPY has bent down, and we have seen 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours and even 7th hour downward trend on EURJPY finally went beyond the barriers of the target price. So congratulations if you have taken the sell positions on this pair. Okay, we have to sell more losing trades on the pairs, so we did not talk about the losing trades in our videos, and you know very well about it. So overall, it was a good day for trading. So just to be very careful these days, guys. It's a very slow market momentum, not very good, so it's better to do scalping these days. Overall, guys, you know there we are using the trading system. The top red boundaries for the overbought levels, and the lower red boundaries stands for the oversold levels. Whenever you see that the market is getting the rejection from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is making the upward pattern from the lower red boundary, let's take an example. Okay, look at here on AUDUSD, the market pumped up, and look just above the oversold levels, the market pumped up. And the middle dotted line works like this, that if hourly candle closes above, then the next candle has chances to go up. When it closes below, the next candle has chances to go down. So this is how you can use this one for scalping. So overall, guys, it was just a satisfactory day for trading. So guys, I could say that if you want to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.